Hey, what's up YouTube? Roger Ratchet coming back at you again. Today, I want to discuss trailer winch mount. A 2022 Big Tex trailer. Now, this trailer was bought earlier this year, and these trailers come with a 5-year warranty. So, with a 5-year warranty, they do not want you cutting, welding, or drilling on their trailers. If so, it will void your warranty. So that is why none of the ideas that I have seen will work with my trailer. So I have put together what I consider, in my opinion, to be the perfect winch mount, at least for my application. Now, before I show you this, I will mind you that I am not a professional welder by any means. But I will say, even though my welds look like crap, I have never in my entire life had a weld break. And I have thoroughly tested this. It is not going anywhere. So with that said, let's look at. Now, as you can see, the Big Tex trailer, it has the big bump stop on the front of the trailer. So you have to get your winch mounted above that. What I did is, seeing as how this winch is the same winch I use on my truck, I use it right there in that hitch receiver, and I also have a hitch receiver mounted in the front so I could pull it in either direction. So I needed to have a hitch receiver. So I believe I bought a 10-inch and cut it down to suit my needs here. But on this mount, it's a simple mount. I used 3-inch C-channel iron. This is 2-inch by 3-inch box iron and 1.5-inch angle iron. Now, as you can see, it's a simple setup. I've already got it built, so I can't show you the building of it. But when you sit down and think about it, it's simple. And when you have a winch mounted at the front of the trailer, it wants to go this way when you're putting torque on it to pull something onto the trailer. So this piece toward the truck, I wanted to mount on the bottom, so when it tries to tilt, it wants to pull up on this, so it goes underneath. Then when you pull and it wants to tilt, the front wants to go down. Therefore, this is on top of the tongue. Now, after I got those mounted, and of course I used axle bolts to bolt those on, so yeah, those bolts aren't going anywhere. They're not breaking. I know, guys, I went overboard on the metal. I didn't have to go this heavy. But this, you can use anything here. This is just to hold this down. I mean, you're not really putting any forward or backward stress on it. This is just to keep it from coming up. And then this is the same thing, 2x3 box iron. This is to keep it from coming down, which, yeah, you kind of need something a little bit sturdy there. But then I just measured the height that I wanted my winch mounted. As you can see, I've got a little bit of room above the stop block. I didn't need mine that close. I'm not really pulling anything really low onto this trailer. And if I do, I kind of want that upward pressure. But yeah, then I just welded my receiver iron on top of that. I mean, it's a real simple setup, guys, and it works really well. I pulled 2 logs up a hill onto this trailer at the same time, and this thing did not even whimper. So I know you guys will probably change it around, but this is an idea I had that works for me and my trailer. Maybe you can take something here that I've done and use it for your application. So, with that said, until next time, I'm Roger Ratchet, and thank you for watching.